Do you know you can manage your anxiety, stress, or any kind of negative emotion using a simple tennis ball? Let me show you how. Whenever you feel deeply anxious, stress, or facing any kind of negative emotion, take a tennis ball and start playing like this. Let the ball go from one hand to another hand like this. As you look to the ball moving from one hand to another hand, listen to the sounds that is created by the ball touching the palm and feeling the texture of the ball. You realize you are slowly drifting into deep, comfortable and relaxed state as you continue to play this ball. Realize this is simple management technique. Whenever you feel anxious or stressed, you can use this ball to manage that anxiety or stress or any kind of negative emotion. If at all you consider prevention is better than cure. In other words, preventing the occurrence of negative emotion is better than managing it. You are thinking smart. Let me congratulate you. Because eliminating not only anxiety, stress or any kind of negative emotion in any specific context permanently, that too without using pills, meditation, counseling, affirmation, etc. management techniques is quite possible. Curious to know how? Then let me invite you for my workshop where I am going to share all the information, insights and reveal entire science behind negative emotion. In addition to that, I am going to guide you through a transformation that you will experience during the workshop itself will serve you as a foundation and an example for the work that we are going to do together in your well-being. As you listen to me, watch this simple video and become open to new possibilities. Just click the button below and enroll yourself into this amazing workshop, and I look forward to guide you through an amazing transformation very, very soon. Just click the button below and enroll yourself, and I'll see you in the members area soon. As you see, I am moving the ball from one hand to another hand. Just click the button below and enroll yourself. See you in the members area soon.